I had to catch a video of this because this is pretty funny. We have this huge line of, I'm assuming, tarp coming out of here. I don't know what Chris is doing, but we're gonna find out. Chris, what are you doing? Nothing good? You making a mess? Do you want some help? Are we flying a kite? I'm starting to get the feeling that Chris is mad at me. Would you stop? Holy hell.